Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia 1.3 and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of your keyboard on this Sony device. First of all, access settings and scroll down. Now choose system and tap on languages and input, then on-screen keyboard and Gboard. Over here you need to click on theme and tap on show more to see all available ones. When you're done, you can click on one of those images, tap on the switcher next to keyboarders to enable or disable them and tap apply. Then you can also do exactly the same with one of those colors, and when you're ready, just go back. So now, as you can see, theme of my keyboard is different. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!